Hi friends, my name is Surendra. Today I will show you how to use Samsung Reminder application. Um, I'm going to find our
Finder.
application and search for Samsung Reminder.
R-E-M. Reminder and list 4 items.
I'm just
Double
opening
tap to
that.
activate.
First, what we will do, we will see what options are available in the Reminder.
Reminder.
Reminder, that is the heading.
One overdue reminder.
One overdue reminder.
Add button.
Add reminder.
Search button.
Search reminder.
More options. New content available. Fast and list. Baby. Not checked. Check soon.
Soon. That is
Fast.
past. That is a reminder which is overdue. Soon means the reminders which are tomorrow reminder. For example, I kept for tomorrow or afternoon reminders. What I will do, I will create a reminder for you guys quickly.
Reminder. Not one overdue reminder. Add button.
Add reminder.
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
What I will do,
Add editing memo edit box.
Memo is
double
the
tap and hold to
title
long
of
press.
the reminder. While the reminder is playing, what title should be there? That is the memo. I will
Capital
do
T.
time.
Not list. I-M-E-E. Space. Space. Add checklist button and list 5 items.
Checklist.
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
Checklist was reminders. Under it, there is one main reminder. Under that, there is some checklist. For example, in reminder, these many tasks I need to complete. If you have 5 checklist, if you select, for example, I will tell you, if you are going out and you need to purchase something, going out was the main reminder, and purchasing what we need to purchase was checklist. We need to select one by one, we need to add there.
Add image button.
You can
double tap to activate. Double tap and hold the long press.
Image to the reminder.
Select color button.
We can select
double tap to activate. Double tap time off switch.
Time off.
Double tap to toggle.
There are two options. One is time and one is place. Time is, it will show the reminder when the time 10:55. It will, for example, 10:55. I'll keep reminder at 10:55. It will the reminder will appear at 10:55. Place in the sense, for example, you are going for from shopping or something like that, it will show reminder after reaching that place. That is place.
Place off switch. Time off switch.
I will go with the time.
Double tap to toggle. On.
After selecting the time, there are a few drop down list appeared. I will slowly search that. I will show you what is there.
Set Jan 16:11:00 a.m. Set conditions. Double tap to activate.
These are suggestions actually.
Time paper 1 hour from now not selected.
1 hour from
double,
now.
Tomorrow 7:00. Today 3:00 p.m. Today 10:00 p.m. Time edit box memo.
10:00.
Double tap and hold to long press. Set Jan 16:11:00 a.m. Set conditions. Double tap to activate.
I will double tap this.
Set Jan 16. Double tap to switch to calendar view. Double tap to activate.
To switch to calendar view. When I double tap that now, it will open the calendar view. There we can select the date.
Checked Saturday, January 16th, 20.
January 16th.
Set Jan 16. Double tap to switch to calendar view. Sun Jan 10 hour button. 11 hour edit box.
Edit box.
Double tap to enter text.
If you double tap this, we can enter the hours. I will
11:00 a.m.
11:00 a.m.
00 minute edit box.
11:05.
05 maximum number of editing. 05 minute edit box. Selected M.
We can select the it is AM or PM also. And
PM. Select. Not select. Don't repeat. Not selected. All day button. Selected. Time button.
Select.
Double tap to activate.
If you select it as a time, we need to select the time. If you
not selected. All day button. Double tap to activate.
All day, it will show the entire day. It will show the reminder. There are few more options I will show you.
Don't repeat.
Don't
double tap to activate.
Double tap these ones.
Navigate up button.
There are few options.
Double tap to activate. Repeat.
Repeat.
Selected. Don't repeat. In list 6 items.
Repeat.
Not selected. Every day.
Every
double
day.
tap to toggle. Not selected. Every week.
Every week.
Not selected. Every month.
Every
double
month.
Tap. Not selected. Every year.
Every year.
Double tap. Not selected. Customize.
Customize.
Double tap. Duration. Forever. Disabled. Not list.
Customize in
Unselected.
the sense we
Customize.
can
List 6 items.
customize the things.
Double tap to toggle.
At what time we need the reminder, at in which day we need the reminder.
Duration. Forever. Disabled. Not enlisted. Alert style. Medium. Drop down list. Enlisted. 5
Alert
items.
style,
Double
how
tap to
we need
activate.
to allotted, that is also we can select.
Light. Notification. Short sound.
Light,
Not enlisted. Double tap
notification
to
sound,
activate.
short sound.
Medium selected. Full screen alert. Short sound selected.
Medium
Double tap
alert,
to
full
activate.
screen and short sound.
Strong full screen alert. Long sound. Double
Strong
tap to
full
activate.
screen alert and short sound. We can select this.
Alert. Alert style. Place off. Switch. Cancel. Button. Not enlisted. Save. Button.
Save.
Double
If you
tap to
press
activate.
save, the reminder will be saved.
Add. Button. Reminder.
The reminder
Double
was
tap to
added.
activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
And I will show you few more options are there.
Search. Button. More options. New content. Sort.
So
Double tap to
we
activate.
can sort the reminders.
Edit. Double tap to
We
activate.
can edit the reminders. We can delete all the reminders at once, and we can edit the reminders.
Sort. Completed. Double
Completed.
tap to activate.
We can check all the reminders which are completed in this list.
Shared reminders.
Shared
Double tap to
reminders.
activate.
There is an option in Samsung, that is we can create a group with our family using Samsung ID. If you create that group, in that group we can create reminders. For example, if you create friends group or family group, in that we can create reminders, and we can share that reminders with all the people.
Settings.
Settings.
Double tap to activate.
I will show you the settings. There are few more options here.
Navigate up. Cloud reminder settings. Cloud accounts. Sync with Samsung Cloud. Surajrajatabarapu9@gmail.com.
Samsung Cloud.
Sync with Microsoft to do. Sign into your Microsoft account so you can manage your reminders in to do. Double tap to activate. Sync with Microsoft to do. Sign into your Microsoft account so you can manage your reminders in to do.
And
Double
this
tap
is
to
a new
activate.
feature, guys. I will tell you. If you link your Samsung with the account with the Microsoft account, then what we can do, you can create the reminder in the Samsung reminder, and we can see that reminder in the Microsoft To Do. That is Microsoft reminder application for computers. If you create a reminder in the mobile, you can immediately see that reminder in the Microsoft To Do list. It is nothing else. It is just like I will double tap it. We can see.
Close web view button. Edit box. Enter your email, phone, or Skype.
It is
Email,
like
phone,
just
or Skype sign inches.
it is like just signing into your Microsoft account after double tapping that Microsoft To Do list.
Close web view button. Time enlist 16 items.
Time.
Double tap to
While
activate.
creating
Presets. Enter.
presets, while creating the reminder, what should we need? Like we need time or not, we need place or not, we can select here.
Time. Double on. Time. Switch. Places. On. Places. General. Enter.
General.
Alert style. Medium.
Alert
Double tap to
style.
activate.
By default, while creating the calendar, by default few options will be there. That is alert style. We can select it as high.
Navigate up button. Selected. Medium. Radio
Medium.
button. Not selected.
I will show you.
Alert style. Not enlisted.
Right.
Not selected. Light. Radio button.
Light.
Enlisted. Selected. Medium. Radio button.
Medium.
Not selected. Strong. Radio button.
Strong. I will select strong.
Selected. You'll get a full screen alert and hear long sound. Keep ringing sound. Finding Galaxy. Double tap to activate.
And also we can change the ringtone as well. And I created a reminder. I got a reminder. We need to remember one thing is, if your phone is idle and you are not using it, then only you will get the full screen alert, or otherwise it will show you as a notification for us.
Snooze button. Complete button.
And I will press
Double tap to
complete.
activate.
If you
Snooze
press
button.
snooze, it will
Double tap to activate.
after 15 minutes again we will get the reminder. I will
Complete
select as
button.
completed.
Double tap to activate. Keep ringing sound. Find a Galaxy. Enlist 3 items.
Ringing sound.
Double
We
tap
can
to
also
activate.
select the ringing sound. How we need, for example, how we'll use for alarms and ringtones. We will select for ringing sound, right? For reminder also, we can select the ringing sound. I'm going back.
Alert style. Strong. Enlist 16 items.
Style, strong.
Double tap to
selected
activate.
that.
Add reminder icon. Add reminder to the app screen. On. Switch. Double tap to
But
activate.
this I will show you after end of the video, guys.
Remind me about declined calls. Automatically create a reminder when an incoming call is declined with a
This
message.
one.
On. Switch.
This one has a
Double tap
nice
to activate.
feature. When you have any work and you declined any call, for example, if you are sent, there is one option in the call screen, that is we can send text message to that person, I'm busy, I will call you after some time. As soon as you send that message, uh, as soon as you send that message, the reminder also created in your reminders application. It will default was after 1 hour it alerts you and you need to call that person. For that we need to select this option.
Remind me about declined customization service. Get personalized shared reminders. Header. Notifications. Get notified when someone else adds or completes a reminder. On. Switch. Double tap to
For
activate.
example, I explained, guys, there is an option called shared reminders. It will alert you someone add or completes the reminder in the shared calendar. That is a complete how I will tell you, guys. It's completely for example, if you create any group in WhatsApp, or you can create any group in Telegram, or you can create any group in Teams, Microsoft Teams. Exactly, it will work like that only. If you create any group with your family, for example, I will tell you, a group was created. In that group you can send reminders, you can create an event, and you can share files, you can share videos and everything.
About reminder version 11.6.
It will telling about the reminder.
Add reminder icon. On. Switch.
And one more thing,
Double tap to
and
activate.
last thing I need to show you, guys, that
Finder.
is how to get a reminder. Sure, we need to install that reminder from Galaxy Store, that is default in Samsung Galaxy devices. And one more thing, reminders, and one more thing we need, I will show you how to get this reminder application on your app screen. What we need to do, we need to go to calendar.
Page 2 of 4. App screen. Page 2. Page 1 of 4. Calendar. Clock.
Calendar.
Calendar.
Open
Custom
this
action swipe.
calendar and
Navigation
open
door
navigation drawer.
Double tap to
The
activate. Double tap
calendar
and
is
hold to long press.
Samsung calendar, not the Google one, the Samsung calendar. Open this one.
Menu.
Menu.
Calendar setting. Year view. Month view. Week view. Day view. Not selected. Reminder view. Not selected. Pause button. Tap to act. Reminder view. Day view. Not selected.
Day view and
Reminder
reminder
view.
view.
Not
If
selected.
you double tap
Double
this
tap to
one,
activate.
it will
Reminder.
open. When you selecting that first time, it will ask you, do you want this reminder to be added to your app screen? If you select that, it will automatically adds to your app screen. And while you're searching in the finder, it will show you an icon, otherwise it will not show icon while searching for the reminder application in the finder application as well.
1 over 2. Add button. Double tap to activate.
Now I
Double
will
tap and
show
hold to
you
long
how
press.
to add to-do list reminders through Samsung Reminder.
Search. More options. New content of it. Shared reminders. And list 5 items. Pause button.
Go to settings.
Settings. And list 5 items. Double tap.
Go to settings.
App. Sync with Microsoft to do. Sign into your Microsoft account so you can manage your reminders in the do. List 16 items. Double tap to activate.
This one. It will open a web
Close web
browser.
view button. Edit docs. Enter your email. Phone.
Here
Skype,
we need
email,
to
phone,
log
Skype,
into
sign
your
in.
Microsoft account. I will do now.
S S U U R E E N N D R R A A. So it's gmail.com. Next button.
Next.
Password. 1429. Pause button. Double tap to activate. Use your fingerprints to verify your identity. Fingerprints. Sign into your Microsoft account.
Do you observe this? The Microsoft To Do is added. I will show you that.
Cloud accounts. Sync with Samsung Cloud. Suraj Rajat@gmail.com. Double tap
happen.
to active. On. Sync with Samsung Cloud. Switch. Sync with Microsoft To Do. Surendrajajavarapu9 at gmail.com. Double tap to
Sync with
activate.
Microsoft To Do
On. Sync with Microsoft.
on.
Sync with Microsoft To Do.
Now I will show you
Surendrajajavarapu9 at
how to
gmail.com.
create a
Double tap to
reminder
activate.
in To Do, Microsoft To Do from the Samsung reminder, and
More
it
options.
will
New
be
content available.
added to your Samsung To Do list in your computer if you install the To Do in your computer and log in with the same Microsoft account which you linked your Samsung account.
You can save reminders created by sharing content in other apps here by default, so you can manage. Dismiss tip card button.
Bottom of the screen there are few tabs.
All. Not in list.
All
Selected. Reminders.
reminders.
To do.
To Do.
Double tap to activate.
Double tap
To do.
this
Write a reminder.
and write
Double
a
tap to
reminder.
activate.
Double tap this button. And I showed you before how you can create a reminder in Samsung reminder. In the same way you can create a reminder in To Do list also. There is no change in the screen, there is no change in the selecting options. And one thing to be noted here, this is automatically sync with your Microsoft account, and it will be shown in Microsoft To Do application uh, in a real time.
Save to Microsoft. Write a reminder. Double tap to activate.
Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.
Pause button. Double tap to activate.
If you want me to do Samsung voice assistant, that is Samsung built-in screen reader videos, please let me know. I will do it. Please like, share and subscribe this video to my channel. Thank you.